Chudmaranis are so critical to disturb. Is the latest earthquake about this news and what Indian people, that very risky spiritual zone of the whole world, it is a perforated zone which is connected with Mexican Gulf surrounding sea centering Mexico Gulf as a major Buddhist people's spiritual force base perforated, and then Kapil Muni, etc., Valmiki Rishi, etc., Ratnakar. You see, these people to misuse by the Bengali, going criminal as if they are enjoying power, just Ravan like Kaur, Dushan, Kumbhakarna, Indrajit, etc. like. But they are just coming a kutte, they have no inner own body power, but machine based. And some witches, vulgar, that crooked lady of 100 years says who are doing practice since 1960 onwards, going to India frequently and to come back again Cuba, via Cuba to enter Mexico as they to usual normal route to trace their path through Mexico to USA. So they to reach Houston and then to trade Florida, Virginia, Texas, etc. This place, Louisiana, these criminals, this Mother Chod Narendra Modi is a very criminal man, what devastating manner Japan's people suffering, and I cannot remain, and as I have not remained. There was the time, when I have, that is matching the 4:57 p.m. Indian, it will be near about 1 p.m. or 1:30, and what is 9 p.m. is exactly 2:30 p.m. to give the jolt yesterday that Amit, who changing his name to the people who are unknown to our immature or mature ladies and boys, girls, multi girls, families, innocents who are kidnapped, misled and hijacked, terrifically terrified, tortured, humiliated in such a manner to survive of inner torture and heavy body fever, humiliation, life-threatening, etc. that I'm drawing people's concern of UK and USA, Germany, to force that USA, Mother Chod criminal Joe Biden, he should stop crime doing undersea, from all undersea Mexico Gulf. What terrific way these Indians and other people's life-losing condition, terrific discomfort, and vacuuming up and that removing soil earth from their legs, head becoming heavy. It is very, very, what I say, horrible, terrific enough. The Saturday March earthquake that was North Pacific Ocean, East of Nemea, that is also Japan. That is a more map that I showing this map. And this 20th, this map is also same rules with this people's criminal blue whale to hinder me. And these criminals, as I'm exposing them, so obviously they are being frightened extremely, and they to cause severe crime doing against the world humanity, as their nearmost try to devastate the whole Japan, and the satanic Joe Biden is taking for sides the China, that crime doing and culprit is crime doing is very become very hectic and life losing, where my friend Chandan Bhattacharya, as my knowing, he has been killed. Although this time is they are trying to do this When night time it will become very difficult to trace this because I to keep heads on eastward or sometimes southeastward. So that becomes very horrible. Other people, Calcutta, what happened, they can feel, or heaviness, avenue, whatever means. But these two things, I to critically show this. They are showing this march, and horrible was in 20th May. 20th May was a horrible day for the Japan, as it to have so many and lodging look of many people. That Mother Chode is Narendra Modi is a very wrong people and who is not listening my such complaint that Vidhan Chandra papers of Bengal Veterinary and IIT Kharagpur, geology, oceanography papers related and digital systems and veterinarians on coronavirus related virus person Gujarat plague etc. were to call this since 1960 and that they have got power. This Amit etc. joined to this group probably after in 19 that is become horrible for and Kamalaksha, Jivan Duggol, Kamalaksha Karmakar, Sudhamshu, Pyali Majumdar extra this ajit group. I do not have the exact those cannot be displayed here. It is becoming that so many earthquake has found in this time. That today is 21st. So this type of all this range and very horrible situation in this Pacific Ocean just behind. They are coming, you see, from northeast to pressure out in this northwest direction and sometimes from this northwest to southeast. This is in our Indian surface condition, but that will be opposite as south to be read as east, as a read to be west, west to be read as east. South north will remain similar as we are in the same pole, same polar side, north of north latitude from equator. This is my note taking, what I have taken, the details, all those that Vedo, Vidyut, Jivan, Bijan, Tusita, Tusita, Tujika, Tusita, Tukhota, Hitos, Maheetosh, naked personality, criminal, Bagdi, Bache, Kuttika Son, daughters Rita, Ahola, Menuka, Renuka, Chudika, Gitika, Chudumarani Gita is a prostitute, Pralay, Nilay, Magi, Uma, Hindu, Shankar, Shivani, Chudumarani, Sanju, Anju, Manju, criminal, that they are doing horrible situation. I have made comment on others the areas, but this is to put in this my video in YouTube today.